So I just went to Dave & Buster's today, and I picked up these two things from the gift shop. This one was 1,500 tokens, and this one was 350 tokens. Are they actually any good? Here I have a Galaxy Note 9, and yes, it has a headphone jack. So we're gonna start off with the one that was 350 tokens. Give it up. Come on. There we go. Wow. Oh, the wire's already... Ooh. Ooh. There's like a zip tie or something on it. Well, not a zip tie, but like one of those like twist ones. Are they even labeled left or right? They're not. They're not even labeled left or right. You just have to guess. Now we're gonna plug this and in here. Let's test how they sound. Can I just say, I absolutely hate earbuds that look like this and that have the little like rubber tip on them. I know it's supposed to be like a way for you to have it fit better in your ear, but let's watch one of my own videos, because why not? Oh my gosh, they sound like ass. They actually sound so bad.
The design of the iPhone 3G, the internals were upgraded a ton. Faster processor, more RAM, better camera.
Maybe it goes in the other ear. No, even in the other ear, these sound so bad. Oh my gosh, these are actually terrible. These are actually super bad. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and pause this. Let's just, you know, put these back in here. Yeah, yeah. Alright, hopefully these ones sound better. Hopefully. Gaming earbuds with boom mic features. Dynamic stereo sound, bass boosting sound, lightweight design, detachable boom mic. Oh, we have to talk into that, clearly. Flexible in-ear hook, inline volume control, contents gaming earbuds, detachable boom mic, PC adapter. For use with Xbox One, PS4, PC. Ah, yes. Cancer. Great. Oh my, okay. Finally. Oh. There's bits, and there's an adapter, and here is the buds itself. Alright, let's get that mic out. Oh my gosh, okay. That's loud. Oh my gosh, this is really stuck in the plastic. I just realized this is packaged so that the microphone cable is already breaking out the box. Alright, let's test this out. Which one does it connect to? Oh, this one right here. Let's plug this one in. Alright, well, let's do a sound test on this one now. Oh look, and even this one has an L and R for left and right. Wow. Oh wow. Oh, this sounds so much better. Oh, that sounds so much better. Oh my gosh, these actually sound good.
And if you do have older apps on here, make sure they can run, because when I try to launch apps, it just crashes. I'm sure you can jailbreak it and put life back into these devices.
Alright, I don't know what the voice recording app is on Android, so we're gonna switch these over to the iPhone 6 and go to voice memos and see what we can hear. Testing. 1, 2, 3. I'm talking into the mic right now. I don't know how this sounds, so let's play it back. These headphones right here are actually so much better. They're actually clear. You can hear stuff through it. I don't know if the mic is decent, but I'll have to check that in editing. They even give you a little adapter to switch it to your PC. So yeah, these headphones are actually really nice. I mean, the design is kind of crap, but other than that, the sound quality is pretty good. These ones just sound like ass. These ones just sound like complete ass. And that's about it for this video. I'm actually gonna carefully put these headphones back in their box. There we go. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have enjoyed and you want to see more, make sure to leave a like, maybe even subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one.